Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Another day, another pump, as right now Bitcoin is trading for over $22,500. So, what happens next? Are we going to have a pullback in the crypto market, or is Bitcoin going to continue its leg up higher and hit $25,000 to $30,000? I'll be going over that in this video, as well as a ton of altcoin charts, what altcoins we have been trading here at Crypto Empire, and what altcoins you should have on your own watch list to trade during these volatile and very lucrative times in the crypto market. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Taking a look at the entire crypto market cap, right now that number is at $1.08 trillion, with Bitcoin trading at $22,671. Bitcoin's market cap is right now $436 billion. And then we have Ethereum trading for $1,659 with a market cap just below $200 billion. And everything is green today. We are having that next leg up. One of the biggest winners on the day is Aptos APT, is up 38%. It was $3 a few weeks ago at the bottom, and now it is trading at $11. So for sure, we can say that the crypto season has shifted from crypto winter to now crypto spring. And in crypto spring, we get pumps like we're seeing right now in the market. Let's go over the charts. First of all, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And as we can see here with my orange parabola on the screen, this has been on my chart now for a few weeks. You've seen it in my live streams. I have not adjusted this parabola once. And if we notice how price action is respecting it so well, even today, right? We can see we pumped up massively. We consolidated all week long, and today we came back to that parabola support, and like clockwork, to the tick, we exploded right off after touching that parabola. So I actually made a video inside of my Discord group on how to draw parabolas, and that is available to all of my members. But regardless, they're very easy to do. All you need to do is grab the curve tool. If we go to the paintbrush thing here on the left side of TradingView, you go to the curve, and this is how you draw a parabola. So it's not that hard to do, and they do tend to work. They are very similar to trend lines, but when the market is moving like it is right now, I like to use these kinds of tools to track the momentum higher, because when this parabola starts to break, that's going to be a signal telling me to get out, that things are going to really correct heavily. So I am watching this parabola closely. When it does break, that is definitely a shot in the air, a warning signal to start to exercise caution. But as of right now, price action on Bitcoin is heavily respecting the parabola. And if we look to the left on where we are in this red supply zone. This is the September high. As we can see, price wicked up in September to around $22,800, and we have just tested that on today's daily candle, as you can see, and this is the high from September. Now also, if we look to the left, during the initial crypto contagion back in June of 2022, when we were first crashing after Luna, Celsius, 3 Arrows Capital, they all went down, we actually found some support here at around 20,800, and then we bounced right up to this level at 22,900, 23K. So the reason I'm telling you this is 23K, 22,800 to 23K is our major resistance level, and price is currently there. If we do close some daily candles, if we close a daily candle above 23K, that is very, very bullish. But this area for sure is a supply area. It is a resistance area. So definitely be very careful about chasing after longs after such an explosive move into this area. Let's go over possible spots to look for a pullback. I don't think we're going to get a major correction, but it is possible we do get a narrow or a short pullback where it's not too deep. And really, we would just look in that base structure where we took off from, right? The start of the move higher was this little candle here on the 4-hour, and this takes place right at around $20,970. So really, 21K is the level to look for, potentially, if we do get a pullback. If we break this entire market structure, that would, of course, means we roll over from the parabola, and we could expect a further correction if we do start breaking below these wicks. But the way things are looking here, it does not look like that wants to happen. So we're going to stay tuned and see how this plays out. But for now, let's start to go over some altcoins, because really at Crypto Empire, we like to trade altcoins. Bitcoin's amazing, But altcoins, if we're actively trading or investing, altcoins are a beta asset to Bitcoin. So they do give us a higher return potential. So I do focus a lot of my attention, the majority of my attention on altcoins. So let's start to go over some right now. First things first, let's go over Litecoin, because Litecoin is a coin that I've been talking about a lot here on the channel. We have the narrative coming up with the halving. It's going to be in August or July, the summertime of this year in 2023. And every time with that 4-year halving, we have a big run up with the months before the halving. All right, and as we can see here in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, looks like the chat is very busy right now. If we look at the group right here, I posted this on Monday, January 16th, this past Monday, saying I've already covered the Litecoin trade a lot at this point, but here's the official call. If we do dip again, the trade is outlined below. So the entries 87, 85, and 83. And if we look at the chart here, well, lo and behold, where do we dip? We dipped to $85 and we dipped as low as $81.80. So if we had bids there at 85 and 83, like the trading call planned for, well, we got filled and we are now up from there. By the way, I got filled here, and we are now up 10%, and we're about to clear these wick highs. So Litecoin is looking very good. The trade is on track, and we caught the dip perfectly here at Crypto Empire. So that's just one kind of active position I am in. I'm in a heavy spot position of Litecoin, 5+ figures, and we will go ahead and take a look at some more. Another trade that I went ahead and took this week was Quant, and we can see here with our Quant trade, entry at the 133 area, targeting around 170. I think this can go to 200, but this was posted on Sunday, the 15th. And as we can see here with Quant, I posted this on Sunday when price was over here. It took off to resistance at 145. I actually took profit here. I'm not in this trade anymore because I took profit up here. I'll show you. If we go to the results or the success tab of the Discord over here, right here on Quant, I took profit at 141. I actually didn't hop back in, but notice how price came right back to my entry. Now it started to take off. So the call was still valid, and members went ahead and profited from it. So Quant, yes, I'm expecting a huge move from Quant. If we look at this chart on the weekly, last time it was in a parabola, it ran up to $200. I do think it has the potential to run back up to 200. But I would look to take some profit around 160 to 170. If we look at the chart here, there's definitely some sellers going to be in here at around 170. But Quant long term, I think, can go much higher, but this is an active trade to make money. So with that being said, if we get some pullbacks, definitely look for another entry. But Quant has, if we just measure this in terms of how much it can actually go here, it can go potentially to 170, it's got another 20%, and then to 200, it's got around 38%, 40%. And then to the all-time highs from current price, it's got 180%. To the bulk of the trading, 140%. So a lot of gains to be made on Quant. If it's not already on your watch list, add it to your own watch list and keep an eye on it because a lot of money to be made with this altcoin. Now moving on, let's take a look at some other trades. So let's look at Doge. So I posted Doge this morning in my Discord. Look at this daily candle, or this is a weekly candle actually. We just flipped the week from red to green. So that's huge. We definitely want to close this week green on Doge. But anyway, if we go to the 1-hour price chart on Doge, I posted this in my Discord this morning, this basing pattern, big drop in. This is kind of like the reverse Bart Simpson pattern, but I just see the base on support. So that's how I knew to get long. And we had a very nice move from Doge today, as we can see here. And I'll show you where I posted this in my Discord group. Today at 10:17 a.m., telling you Doge can pump from this basing pattern. Support is holding very strong. Then, 8 minutes later, I give the setup. So listen, if you want all of my trades, if you want to be with me every single day trading the cryptocurrency market, know exactly what I'm doing at all moments of time, head to my website, cryptoempirecode.io, and hit join Discord at the top. All right, all the information to join will be right here. And if you are interested to hear what my members have to say about it, well, I have a review section in my Discord, and I briefly want to share with you one review before we continue on with the video. So big shout out to 4Max and everybody else in my Discord group who does support me. But anyways, this is from 4Max, one of our members, and he said that he has been in and around trading for almost 20 years to one degree or another. The last 15 or so as a day trader. And he says, arguably one of the most difficult things to be is a consistently profitable trader. And in full disclosure, I have struggled most of my trading career to be just that. This is all changing for the better now. In the last 5 months since I have been a part of the Crypto Empire family, I have been devouring the training and continued to experience the trading wisdom regularly shared from Connor and others. It has changed everything for me. Literally, for the first time in 20 years, I have a better grasp of the market than ever, and my confidence levels have gone through the roof. I would and have recommended this to others. There is a lot of garbage training out there. There is some good but incomplete stuff. Connor's training, along with the open access and regular commentary on market conditions, provides the fullness that I had been missing. This is the real deal, and I'm very happy I have found this group. Amazing people, amazing traders, amazing training, amazing support, amazing leaders. Pricing is right, no gouging, above and beyond value, delivered consistently, looking forward to 2023 and beyond. This is from one of my members. Thank you so much for Max. That really means a lot. And guys, this is what I do, right? This is why I do it as well. I take this seriously. This is what I do. So if you want to get involved and be a part of this and hear from me every single day, go to my website, cryptoempireco.io, and get yourself in the Discord. I will continue to be here every single day. And yeah, I'm very happy with the way that everything is going for Crypto Empire, and the sky is the limit. This is a baby YouTube channel, and I'm going to the top. So you can be with me, and if you're not with me, well then you can have fun. Anyways, let's continue on with our video here. So one of the biggest coins, one of the biggest gainers today is HBAR. And if anybody is subscribed to my channel for a while now, you guys will know that I'm very bullish on HBAR. I get asked about it all the time. It is one of the coins that I do hold in my long-term investment portfolio. And from the bottom over here, at 3 cents, 3.9 cents is up 84%, 83%. And that is just amazing to see. And I will continue to hold HBAR because I think it's going much higher. Now moving on, another active trade that I've been covering here on the channel that I'm currently in myself is on Lido LDO. I first talked about Lido when I made my video about Ethereum staking derivative tokens. And I basically said Lido is the market leader for that. And if you just want to bet on a winning horse, you go ahead and bet on LDO. And I made my official trade call at Crypto Empire. We can take a look here. Made the official call here on, what day was this? This was Thursday, January 12th, so over a week ago, saying the entry, try to get in 193 and below, and we're looking for targets from $3 to $5 potentially. I think it can go higher than that, but this is an active trade. I will hold some for higher targets, but regardless, we are here, of course, to make money as traders. So anyways, if we take a look, right, when I first posted the trade, Lido was over here, kind of in the buy area. It went up to 247. This is a daily chart, by the way. And again, with this parabola, I have not touched this parabola since I put it on the chart, right? This was all blank space before. Notice how well price respected the parabola. It consolidated. The second it gets to the parabola support, it starts to take off here with this big green candle. And it just closed. This daily candle just closed. And as you can see here, if we look at this price action, with where this big green candle closed, we haven't had a candle close that high since all the way back in August of 2022. So this is major. This daily close is huge. The parabola is still on track for Lido LDO. And for everybody who went ahead and took this trade along with me, we're up approximately 20% spot. So not bad, especially if you went in with size. And yeah, crypto spring, welcome people. We're just getting started here. We will be very much enjoying this season of crypto. Winter appears to be over. It can certainly flip back to winter season. The seasons don't have to go in chronological order, like winter, spring, summer, fall, right? We can go from winter to spring back to winter. And we'll see what does happen this year. But for now, we do have a brief period of risk on, and we are taking advantage of it. Now, another trade that I went ahead and took today was Ripple XRP. Shout out to XRP. As we can see here, I posted this at 1:46 p.m. right before the big boom. Our entry on XRP, 39 to 40 cents. If we take a look at this price chart and how it's playing out thus far, well, the reason I knew to even get long in the first place at that level was my trusty trend line. And I've been watching XRP all week long. It's been in this basing pattern. I think this is going to 50 cents. Regardless, we came back to this trend line. This is when I got long here at 40 cents, basically just under 40 cents. And from that spot, we're up a modest 3.84%. Looks like it wants to continue higher here. But again, we can take a look at my Discord over here, and you can see one of my members is up. It's over 1,600 now, and that's just one of them. By the way, guys, if you're wondering where I do my personal crypto trading, I do use Bitget. I like Bitget a lot. I like their interface. I do have a few tutorial videos if you want to learn how to trade on Bitget. I'll leave the cards right here. And if you want to join and support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my link down in the description below. Again, I greatly do appreciate your support. But I love Bitget because they have no KYC and they have very high withdrawal limits, meaning that you can withdraw a lot of crypto out and you go ahead and profit from your trades. So Bitget, all around great exchange. Check it out. Link down in the description below. Now, Monero, guys, you guys know I love Monero here. This trade played out beautifully. Regardless, Monero is going to go ahead and continue to absolutely crush it. And one more before we wrap up the video. There's so much to cover. I'm looking forward to my live stream this weekend to go over everything. But VeChain, I posted this actually, this idea in my Discord this morning, and it hit. It did hit. I didn't jump in this trade personally. Took the other ones like DOGE, XRP, Lido, Litecoin, etc. But as we can see here, this whole daily candle, this whole formation in VeChain, see how this all happened underneath this main support of the bear market? This is what a bottom looks like. All right, this is what a bottom looks like here. So VeChain very much could be bottomed out. I wouldn't be surprised. One example, if we look at Bitcoin, and if we look at Bitcoin from 2018 here, right? Notice we broke the support down here on BTC. Let's zoom this in so everybody knows what I'm looking at. Right, this is very similar to what we were just looking at on VeChain. We break the support and we recoup it, and this is the bottom. All right, a lot of charts look like that. HBAR look like that. A lot of them look like that. All right, so the bottom could be in is what I'm trying to say. We could pull back like we had in March of 2020, where we have a nice retracement, but it was a higher low. All right, so it looks like we have some good times ahead. Let's let the good times roll. Let's continue to make money trading and investing as well. Because listen, trading is great, but if you asked 100, if you put 100 crypto millionaires in a room together, maybe 5 to 10 of them would have become a millionaire trading, when 30% plus, at least 30 of them would have become millionaires from investing in crypto. So I'm both an investor and trader. I made a lot of money doing both, but mainly investing really from that last bull market. So with that being said, guys, again, if you want to get all of my investment picks as well as my active trading, join my Discord. It's all in there. If you're wondering where to trade, I use Bitget. But anyways, thanks for watching till the end of this video. So in this video, we went over the price action of Bitcoin as well as a ton of altcoins, a lot of the active trades that I am in, and a few other charts as well. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Also, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about the market, about the video, anything. Just leave a comment down below. It helps boost the algorithm for the channel. I appreciate it. But this is Connor from Crypto Empire signing out. I'll see you in the next video.